Guys, welcome back. So I'm going to be doing this fun Barbie look for you, and the first thing I'm going to do is fill in my brows. I'm going to make them thinner than usual because you know Barbie has that infamous thin brow. And what I use for my foundation today is the Maybelline Dream Satin Liquid, and oh my goodness guys, I'm falling in love with this foundation. Can I just say how beautiful it makes my skin look? Yes. Okay, so clearly my brows weren't dark enough, and you know Barbie has really dark brows, so what I'm going to do is just fill them in some more with a black eyeliner pencil. Okay, so moving on to the eyes, I'm just going to use some concealer as my base. Concealer works just as well as primer, so I'm just going to use some random concealer and put that all over my lids. Then I'm going to set it with the Laura Mercier pressed powder. Okay, so moving on to the eyes, I'm going to be using the Juvia's Place Masquerade palette, and I'm going to be using the shade called Bori. And as you can see, I am popping that into my crease, and I'm blending it back and forth, because I want it to look very seamless. And it's going to be an all pink look because you know it's Barbie, and it's pink, and we want everything to look nice and pretty, just like Barbie. So let's blend, honey, let's blend. Okay, so for my lid color, I'll be using a blush, and it's from Sleek. It's from their Pink Sprint palette, and I'll be using the shade called Pink Ice. And as you can see, again, I'm popping that all over my lids, and then I'm going to blend the crease color into the lid color. Okay guys, so I'm quickly popping on my lashes, and I have used two lashes. I have doubled them because I want to give it that fluttery look, and you know Barbie always has, you know, big lashes, so that's what I was going for. Okay, so to make my eyes look a bit bigger and more doll-like, I'm going to be using this Rimmel pencil, and it's in the shade Nude. Okay guys, so from the Violet Voss palette, I'll be using the shade Confession in my tear duct area. Okay, so to highlight underneath my eyes, I'll be using the MAC NC45 concealer. Then I'm going to set that with my Ben Nye Banana powder. Okay, so you know Barbie has the cutest nose ever, so what I'm going to do is try and contour mine a little bit so it looks something like Miss Barbie's nose. It's not going to be anything like Barbie's nose. We're trying here, people. We're trying, okay? But allow me to just contour my nose a little bit, okay? Okay, so I'm going to go a little blush happy here because you know that Barbie has those really pink flushed cheeks. So I am going to go in with this blusher, and it's the same blusher I used on my lids, and it's from the Sleek palette, and it's in the shade Pink Ice. Alright, so for the lips, I'll be using the Rimmel Stay Matte Lipstick in Heartbeat and one from OPV called Resist. And I'm going to be mixing these two together to get the perfect pink Barbie lips. So I do hope you guys like this look. I had so much fun doing this. I really like Barbie. I loved Barbie as a kid growing up, and I really enjoyed doing this look. So do let me know if you liked it by giving this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, follow me on all social media, and if you have anything that you want me to do, let me know in the comments as well. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon. Bye!